So your mad skills. You can't watch TV when I show you your mad skills. Show what you can do. Show what you can do. Come on, you can't lean back. You gotta lean forward. You can't lean back. You can't lean forward. Oh, no jumping. Oh, come on, you take your baby go. Where's Daddy go? Where's Daddy go? Where's Daddy go? Yay! Yay! Come on, you can do it. Come on, you can do it. You know how to do this. You know how to do this. Come on. Now lean back. So you keep wanting to lean back. Oh, there we go. There we go. Yay! Look, watch TV. I know you'll do that. I know you'll do that. Lean forward. Ooh, that's on TV. Silly goose. That's probably gonna best. The best is gonna do right now. Cause he just keeps wanting to lean back.
Listen to the music and get on with me. Move like the animals, stomp your feet. Walk like a penguin, stretch up tall like a giraffe.
Yeah.
Dance like a monkey and laugh, laugh, laugh.